A boy a runner, like a bolt in parade. I choose who are the fastest, use the rifle, pierce him forehead. Viewers, that's so Friday here, that intro there, I don't know, I want me to come with, you know. War! Hey, tell you that I think are you alone, love war. No star. Me love it too. Viewers and subscribers, big up the Kings of Cream line, I'm lying. So go down the bless. Yes, man, alright, I don't know. Big up on yourself. Co-shites, but all hypocrites and parasites. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Joe, Klaat and clear. Evil have to disappear. We have a chant, you know, because I will a bad mind pre the channel, isn't it? And I pre the career. Yes, man, so viewers and subscribers, Silk Bass, hats off to you again, my brother. We're going to review that song, you know, brand new song called Runner. See, in a couple of hours, and it gone almost 200k already. So, you know, some viewers and subscribers, yes. And that song is produced by Ice Queen Records. You see what I say? Pierce them records. You see what I say? And AM Music. Yo, me not lie. Silk Bass, brother. More ratings gone for your career. Third on, big up for discovering the youth, because I'm talented. Not, him just approves I'm talented more, war, lyrical wise. You see what I say? When it comes to warring. Plus the big of a toasty voice. Jahshii, big up yourself. Hats off to you, brother. I rate you. I ratings for Jahshii, but I tell you, say, right now, Silk Bass, more on the war for go on, but people in Jahshii years, I tell him, say, I'm not for clash, you know. You see what I say? Make the youth prove himself. We need to know if Jahshii is a lyrical war artist. We know him bad otherwise. You see what I say? Him new song when released ready in the video. Bad. You see what I say? Bad. Yes, man, you see it, Jahshii. But my viewers and subscribers, they are cook some cabbage and dumpling here, you know. You see what I say? No one say what I go on. Watch your badness. Watch your badness. See your badness? Cabbage a simmer down and dumpling and Irish and yeah, man. But anyway, I review there right now. So before we go on the review, see the people when I watch the review and I complain about my chat too much. Remember, this is a review. This is why we review the song them so you can get informed and you go stream the artist them song, man, and stream my song them too, man. When we review a song, we can't play it outright because, you know, copyright strike. So we have to stop and talk. You see what I say? We can't go over certain seconds. So all what about me chat too much, only love the review, though. Big up yourself, Major Mackerel. Bad song. Big up yourself, being a man. Yes. You see what I say? More girl I road. Yeah. But anyway, Silk Bass, so I'm going to the review right now. Saying so, don't go away. Don't go away. Stay forward. Alright? And don't forget to like and share. Let's go!
That is one night time done.
Circumstances, my whole gun in my hand and select it. I want it in a head and shoot me in my foot. Silk Bass, brother, them man are powerful youth. You know have to question that. Them man they I go take music to a way different.
Viewers and subscribers, more and big up the graphic designer first and foremost. Job well done. Description match the song Runner. Zine, Silk Bass did his homework. You see me, the man say, me and them Jahshii. From Grand Spend never left my book and pen. Zine implement it, man, put it piece in the intro. Jahshii say, I shot myself, man, Anthony Miller. I said that here, the interview upon here is a lifetime. I'm not going to stop talking about. Big up Jahshii, can keep it real same way. You see what I say? Silk Bass also played a part of Jahshii say, big up, see Silk Bass, the man that come change, run music, and you see me? Bad. So Silk Bass, big up the team, the producer, everybody. You see what I say? Who play the part. You see what I say? Let's get more into the song. More.
With them dark when me and my shoot for miss. Rifle bus and jail the place, the moon clip, not two gimmicks, me shoot for kill. Trash it that scream out, approach this. Party never stick, cap about the face and bad the lip, your mama start for me.
My brother them dark and my hand shoot for miss. Rifle bus and jerk the place, the moon clips. Shoot for kill the two gimmicks. Who that a scream out, a Jahshii scream out, approach this. Rifle Klaat and bust him face and plot him lip, mama start vomit. Viewers and subscribers and the normal flow, you know, and the lyrics them, you know, the words, you're the man of flow, Zine, bombard.
The boy want make a talk and swallow it, cause me have a clip. Talk if you a talk no shit. Cause if Jahshii run up me and show that little boy how that me be. Anyway me step me have a 40 chip.
Viewers and subscribers, you know, listen to the words them. The man said, the boy want make a talk and solo it cost me half a clip. So nobody done the clipping there because Jahshii choke on him word. That's so me I take it. The man said, Jahshii talk where you talk and not talk no shit. And if you run up, I'm going to show you who me be. When me a step, me now left my 40 chip. Yo, people, you know lie. Mad.
It's a boy a runner. like a bolt in parade. Approve who are the fastest. Use the rifle, pierce him far.
Yo, the chorus bad and catching a bongo cat. Never cuss a fake bad word. Yo, me I tell you, yo, the man say Jahshii a coward, Jahshii a run, a bolt, Jahshii a parade. Him a run, Jahshii stop run and answer, turn up and fight.
Gonna ship from Ghana and Guadeloupe. Qatar clear facts with a bag of truth. Shot in him blood clot head, make him arrow jump out, dropping him mother pot of soup.
Bumbo Klaat. No, me have to cuss a real bad word this time for that like 4 bar. The man say, gonna ship from Ghana to Guadeloupe. Zin shut off mere facts with a bag of truth. The man say Jahshii has mere facts, you know. You see what I say? Shot in him blood clotted, making mother jump out, dropping him mother pot of soup. Remember in an interview, Jahshii say mother sell soup. And she know move on them things there. So I say, nothing wrong with that. And Silbas now say it like in a discrimination we say mother sell soup. My mother used to sell soup, my mother used to sell food, my mother sell weed, she sell cigarettes, she try every little thing just to survive. So I say, big up my mother. But anyway, Silbas, bad, clarity, delivery. Yo, me not like, the man a flow like Cartel, Muvard, I know them, yo, me not like Cartel in a jail right now, I listen to this and I say, no, so that boy a blood clot bad, you know. Yo, more than the song. Say it, boss.
Hey, trashy, love we war, buy a track soon. Here say you did fast when you're in a school. Alright, hold this, go a classroom. For your friend left dead in a bathroom.
Hey, Jahshii, love we war, buy a track suit. Here say you did fast when you're in a school. Alright, hold this, go a classroom. For your friend dead left in the bathroom. Yeah, the man change the flow again. See me, the man I say, yo, Jahshii, me you say you did fast when I got to school, you know. Love the war and go buy a track suit. If I run, you see me I say? The man say, alright, hold this, go a classroom. For your friend dead left in the bathroom. I don't know which friend that matter, but Silbas do more work. Silbas are doing research and I get him intel. Remember the man say breed done around the program already, you know. Boy, me I tell you, bad. You see what I say?
You are runner, like a bolt your parade. Approve who are the fastest. Use the rifle, pierce your fast.
Jahshii, you are runner, like a bolt your parade. Approve who are the fastest. Use the rifle, pierce him forehead. Hey, me not like the chorus sketchy. I me never drop the catch. Me catchy. Hey, don't feel like me never see the bar side. And me just love the review. Me love the clash lyrically. Jahshii, more your answer so we can review your song too. Cause you know you're bad too, you know, man. Yeah, man.
Gun clown, they are son face a send chat. Head a slice off like bread back. Oh, you fi kiss a bad freak with the pan a one black a she a suck round 10 cock.
Yo, the man got third verse. The man going on 3 at death. 3 at death. I them saying a cash part though. Jahshii, Silbas a show say him lyrical, equipped. Him the lazy, him now got 2 verse. Third verse the man go. See, the man say Jahshii there sun face a centret. Head a peel like bread back. Oh, you fi kiss a one girl when she dip on a block. A suck off 10. I don't know. C0k3. As I say, boy, me a not lie. Silbas. And the man I say, yo, everything I'm talking about truth. Remember the first song you say I truth facts? You see me? No, the man, yo, me not lie. The man got third verse. Yo, the man I show you some lyrical, in the lazy. Yeah, man. And the man make it look easy too.
Rise the law, my brain go far and left a gun and kill him father and him mother.
Your friend some breed your baby mother.
This a boy a runner.
Rise the lamb, my brain go fall and left a gun and kill him father, auntie mother. Boy, your friends soon breed your baby mother. Boy, come like Silbas have a link of Ghana and twice Silbas mentioned Ghana. Me a pray, you know. Me a observe and pray. The man I say, you rise the llama. You see me I say, and Jahshii brain left a Ghana. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, a third verse, 3 verse. The man getting at the song, you know. Bad. Lyrically. Yeah, man, full of lyrics. You see what I say? Bad. Yes, we're coming up to the end of the song now. So we're going to go to the outro. See, now I'm going to hear the man end the song. See? Yeah, man.
All one big fight Jahshii from the crap nation. I see C0k3 cut off pay fibble dibble.
This a boy a runner, like a bolt in parade. Prove who are the fastest.
Yo, you feel laugh. The reason why I laugh at the man is a feeble dibble. Boy, I want to go to Jamaica, they were full of talk, I was full of nickname and them thing. Mustering. Yo. The man say all you big fire Jahshii from Crap Nation. that First Nation in a crack nation. You know, say the coke get cut here from your feeble dibble. What is feeble dibble? What is feeble dibble? Somebody tell what is feeble dibble. But say, oh, Silk Bass style as coke, as a matter of fact. I can't skank, I know, skank and Jahshii link. Them, I don't know if them link are firing me there, you know. Somebody on the ground, let me know where I go and place. If a skank Silk Bass at a coke boy cut here for your feeble dibble. Boy, we don't lie. Viewers and subscribers, yo, I hit that in the song, bad the blood bleed. Okay, viewers and subscribers, we come to the end of the review. Let me know what you guys think. You see me? 2 questions I ask you in the comment section, please. What is feeble dibble? And who Silk Bass attack as a cokehead boy? We cut off Jahshii. You see me? I say cause Jahshii feeble. Jahshii, you need to answer the brother. You can't make Silk Bass a deal with yourself. 2 songs and now you can't drop one. Eh? The man says, Jahshii, you can't make the man a style as meerkat, meerfax. No make nobody tell you nothing about don't answer, Jahshii. You're rich already. Jahshii, you're rich, you're boss, you're talented, you're bad. Just make the music nice and sting a forward. See what I say, we want to soon up and sting a clash. And keep it lyrically, not physically. Saying, big up Silk Bass fans them, big up Jahshii fans them, big up, you don't know, Lionfoot fans them. I'm out. Not another radio to me, but boy, the song bad still. I love the chorus catchy. So I say, big up D3al. Yeah, man, you discover a bad artist. And then you do the baddest review.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? I love guys because me been hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot at ground. In a shame for time. Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Growing up, my life wasn't easy.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.